Hello, everybody, and welcome to the presentation. My name is Sam, and I'm a data scientist at Megaputer Intelligence. I'm here to talk to you today about Lexa, a synthetic expert that we built to assist a major bank with its document review process. In this presentation, we will explore how Lexa works, what makes her unique, and the real-world impact that she is having by reducing workloads and ensuring accuracy, especially when it comes to meeting policy compliance standards. So, while other AI-powered document review systems are primarily focused on the legal sector, ours are industry agnostic. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, retail, or manufacturing, or some other industry, our custom-built AI experts can be made to fit seamlessly into your workflow. The thing that makes us different from the competition is our commitment to customization. While existing systems offer a one-size-fits-all approach to serve an entire industry, our custom tailored solutions are designed to meet the specific needs of a business. We built Lexa at the request of a major international bank. Because this bank serves many clients and in many countries, it wishes to remain inoffensive and politically neutral on international affairs. This task can be harder than you might expect, given the complex politics that can exist between countries. So to assist the bank in keeping its documents inoffensive and politically neutral, ensuring compliance with its internal policies, we built a system, a document review system, that analyzes documents while they are being written to identify offensive and politically non-neutral content, flagging it for review. The system also provides a rationale for why the content was flagged, which helps a human editor remediate the error. This is just one example of the sort of document review system that we can build to promote compliance with internal company policies. By harnessing the power of Lexa, the bank was able to revolutionize its document review process, saving time, increasing compliance, and discovering valuable insights that had previously gone unnoticed. This project serves as a tangible example of the benefits that AI can bring to an organization. So now let's take a look at the document review system that we built. This is what the system looks like. You simply supply it with a text that you wish to review, and we click Analyze. The document is being analyzed by Lexa right now. As we can see, there was only one segment of the document that was flagged as non-compliant with policy. This is Lexa's criticism. This document on promoting sustainable agriculture in India recommends the promotion of the cultivation of high-yield pork and beef breeds. But as we know, that can be offensive to certain religious groups in India who prohibit the consumption of those meats. And so if I take Lexa's critique into account, click here to modify, I can delete the offending sentence, ask to reanalyze, and the passage is now flagged as compliant with policy. So there's one example of how the system can be used. In practice, it doesn't necessarily have to analyze offensive content, but it can be made to review any sort of document for the specific policy compliance needs of any business. So here at Megaputer, our goal is to create a synergy between humans and machines. All of the systems that we build facilitate a collaboration and information sharing between human employees and artificial intelligence. We believe that an effective AI system keeps the human in control. For example, in our document review system, all of the text in the final document is written and approved by human employees. The AI operates only in a support role. For example, in our AI-powered document review system, the AI checks the work of of the writer and supplies helpful feedback, we consider it a core design principle that an AI system should not take any decision away from a human. Additionally, the system is capable of accepting feedback from your human team about whether or not the inputs were helpful. This feedback can be used for later training, which allows the system to produce more useful results in the future. At Megaputer Intelligence, we are excited about the future of artificial intelligence in the workplace, and we're committed to developing technologies that empower businesses and workers alike. The value of artificial intelligence in the workplace is not just in performing tasks, but in transforming the way that we do business. Thank you very much for attending the presentation, and we'll be taking questions shortly. And please ask about our data security and flexible deployment options. For customers with significant security needs, it's even possible for us to deploy solutions on premise so that no data leaves the organization. And go ahead and ask some questions. We're offering a free consultation if you're interested to know what a document review system for your company might look like.
Yeah, you mentioned that this system is powered by artificial intelligence. So,
Mhm.
what form of AI is used in the backend, and is it purely AI, or do you incorporate any other technologies in the backend? How does it work?
The the main artificial intelligence in the back end is a language model. It can be GPT or it can be a different language model. Uh, Ultimately, we're able to plug a language model into the back end to do the thinking. But in addition to a language model, there's pre-processing, post-processing, and some additional tricks that go into to making sure that the analysis is accurate. Um, so it's a language model working in combination with other components.
One more question. So, uh, did you happen to run any A/B testing on the prompts, if you at all ran prompts for achieving this result?
Yes, in order to create the prompt that was supplied to the language model, which is a combination of some pre-configured text and the text of the document that it's reading, we did create an A/B testing pipeline. Um, this allowed to try out various different prompt engineering tricks um, to find out what produced the best result. The basic idea is we try a prompt um, and then we compare it with a second prompt, which is a small variation on the first to find out which is better on a data set. If the second prompt is better, then that becomes the main prompt, and we create a small variation again to try to improve on that. This keeps going until we have a prompt that is uh, that's serving our purpose well.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for joining us for this short webinar. If you have any other uh, consulting queries or any requirements, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.